Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the air vent gasket in a Whirlpool dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Torx 15 screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a hammer. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new air vent gasket. The air vent gasket seals the air vent opening in the inner door. If you see a puddle on the floor under the left side of the door, most likely the air vent gasket should be checked and replaced if it's bad. Open the door. Using the flathead screwdriver and the hammer, turn the air vent deflector counterclockwise and remove it. Using the Torx 15 screwdriver, take all the screws that hold the outer and inner doors together, and then remove the outer door. Using the Torx 15 screwdriver, take off the 6 screws that hold the control panel and then remove the control panel assembly. Slowly put it down on the floor. Pull out the air vent. And then remove the old gasket if it's still there. This is the old air vent gasket next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Clean the seat if needed, and then install the new air vent gasket on. And then insert the air vent assembly into the opening. Hold the air vent with one hand and then place the air vent deflector on and turn it clockwise to lock. Install the control panel. Secure it with the 6 Torx 15 screws. Install the outer door and lock the side tabs over the hinges. Secure the outer door with 8 Torx 15 screws. Close the door. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.